Any person who is willing to die for this country can be a SAF trooper. I am not saying na gusto namin na kapag SAF ka, handa kang mamatay. Hindi. Ang sinasabi lang namin, handa kang mamatay.
On January 25, 2015, 44 of my fellow warriors fell in Mamasapan.
5 taon na maganap ang madugong engkwentro sa Tucana, Lipaw, Mamasapan, Maguindanao sa pagitan ng Special Action Force o SAF ng Philippine National Police o PNP at ng Rebelling Moro Islamic Liberation Front o MILF.
Ano ba itong overkill na to na ginawa niyo sa mga tao ko? Nakita na eh. Ito lang po gusto kong plantin. Nakita niyo na subject eh. I seek answers for my people. So that when I die, when my time comes, that I have to face them, at least I can say something. It is always sweet to die for this country.
Napatay ang mga pulis komando sa delikadong misyon para kunin ang teroristang itinuturing na Osama Bin Laden ng Asia, si Zulkifli bin Hir or Marwan. Tinawag sila na SAF 44.
Let us never forget the heroism, the courage, the sacrifice, the nationalism, the love of country and of people that they demonstrate every day, that they perform their duties, that they provide honor and bring glory to our country. Let us never forget.